we are going to discuss the next question here. Question is on casteism. ठीक है, so basically if we see GS paper 1 Indian society, this is salient features of Indian society question. ठीक है, question is from salient features of Indian society. So यहाँ पे हमने सब थीम क्या उठाई है, caste system in India. ठीक है, so why this question? Again, this question is static, so we'll discuss the relevance. See, if you see most of the questions, if you see the most of the questions in your test, so we have picked those questions or topics which have already been in news since long, और या हमेशा न्यूज में वो रहते ही हैं. So this is the one of the topics जो हमेशा न्यूज में रहता है. ठीक है, that is why this question here. Now we will see the approach. ठीक है, we will discuss the approach. So let's read the question first. What my question says, it says, though the manifestation of casteism has changed with time, it is still visible in multiple ways. Comment. You have to comment, and this is a 15 marks question, so of course 250 words. ओके, सो इट सेज कि जो मैनिफेस्टेशन है कास्टिज्म का और कास्ट सिस्टम का, ये चेंज हुआ है विद टाइम. ठीक है, इट हैज चेंज विद टाइम, बट स्टिल कास्टिज्म और स्टिल द कास्ट सिस्टम, इट इज विजिबल इन मेनी वेज इन आवर सोसाइटी. वी हैव टू कमेंट हियर कि कहाँ कहाँ पे वो विजिबल है. ठीक है, पहले कास्ट सिस्टम क्या था, सी विद टाइम इट हैज इवॉल्व्ड. ठीक है, इवॉल्व हुआ है caste system, but it is still manifested, it is still visible in our society, but in different ways. ठीक है, it's still present in our society but now visible in different ways. So we have to discuss these different ways. ठीक है, in this question we have to discuss this part कि how it is still visible, in what ways it is still visible in our society. Okay, we are going to take this introduction part first. Okay, so see what I have done in my introduction. I have started the my answer with the definition of caste. पहली बात ये होता क्या है, casteism या caste system होता क्या है, and then I have added some facts here. ठीक है, I have started my definition. I have started my introduction with the definition of caste कि ये क्या सिस्टम है. ठीक है, जहां पे where position of individual is ascribed by rather than achieve status. ठीक है, ये by birth होती है rather than his or her achieved status. ठीक है, and then I have given some facts here कि कितने caste हैं and subcaste in India. So this is my introduction part, and now we'll discuss the main body. So in main body, what I have done, now question is saying कि casteism, this system has evolved, it has changed. ठीक है, manifestation change हुआ है, but it is still visible in multiple ways. So now what I will do, I'll discuss the ways or the areas where this system is still visible. I have to discuss this. So in this part, what I have done, I have discussed the ways or the areas where the caste system is still visible. I'm not going to read every point here. ठीक है, I'm trying to make you understand the approach. ठीक है, how you can deal with the question. So in the main body, what I have done, I have discussed what you need to do. Discuss those different ways where caste system is still visible. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल कास्ट एंडोगेमी, इट्स स्टिल देयर. ठीक है, you know, if you are reading newspaper, so yes, you might be knowing about this, what suicidal cases of Dalit students like Rohit Vamila and Payal Tadvi has again highlighted the event. Even the prestigious institution of scientific learning are not immune from such evil. ठीक है, and then yes, it is still visible if we see regional parties, and yes, it's still visible in elite sections. So what I have done, I have mentioned कि caste system अभी भी कहाँ कहाँ किस किस एरिया में और किस फॉर्म में विजिबल है. ठीक है, in the main body. In the next part, what I have done, I have given the way forward here. ठीक है, how we can eliminate this system from our society. ठीक है, what you can do, you can even use, because question is not asking you to explicitly discuss the way forward here. So what you can do, you can use this way forward to conclude your answer even. ठीक है, if you are not able to understand और मतलब आपको नहीं समझ रहा है कि how to conclude this answer, then definitely you can give way forward to how we can eliminate this system from our society. ठीक है, so what I have done, I have mentioned the points here. ठीक है, कि कैसे इसको eliminate कर सकते हैं. So yes, strengthening the institutions and move beyond tokenism, like one the chief justice or presidents. ठीक है, and upholding the principle of one man one value rather than one man one vote. What you can do, you can even show these way forward through infographics. आप इसको infographics के through show कर सकते हो rather than merely mentioning through in points. So this is the way forward, and now this is the conclusion part. So how I have concluded my answer, I am giving way forward, again way forward here. ठीक है, कि how we can bring changes, we need to bring attitudinal transformation among people, along with depolarizing the caste-based issues with the help in bringing desired changes. So what you can do, yes, there is another way. If the same question has been asked in 10 marks, what you can do, you can club these points, this way forward and the conclusion, in one or in 3-4 lines to conclude your answer. ठीक है, way forward form. ठीक है, so let's quickly revise what we have done here from the topic salient features of Indian society. That is, one of the salient feature is caste system. ठीक है, so question is saying कि manifestation of casteism has changed with time, but it is still visible in many ways or in multiple ways in India. ठीक है, we have to comment here कि how it is visible और कहाँ कहाँ पे ये दिख रहा है. So how we have started with the introduction of the definition of what is caste system and with some facts. ठीक, okay, then in main body what we have done कि कहाँ कहाँ visible है. We have discussed the visibility of caste system in different areas, like caste endogamy is still there, suicide cases, regional parties. ठीक है, so here the casteism or caste system is still visible. We have discussed the area, and then in the last what we have done, we have mentioned the way forward. ठीक है, but I'm saying कि if the same question अगर मान लो आप 10 marks का है, then what you can do, you can club these way forward or the conclusion part in 3-4 lines to conclude your answer. ठीक है, so or yes, if this is in 15 marks, so there is another way to write way forward. You can mention, you can show the way forward through infographic rather than mentioning in points. So that's all about this question.